Here, in the blue meadow of Second Life, where the wildflowers grow in every direction, and the willows hang low over the stone, something remarkable is taking place. It happens every day. It has always happened here. Most pass through without noticing. We are not most. This is the meadow, and these are its residents. Romeo, known in field notes simply as the lover boy. He moves through the blue flowers with a confidence that suggests he has never once doubted his welcome here. Whether this confidence is earned is a question the meadow has not yet answered. Romeo does not appear to be asking. Some distance away, perhaps not so far, Lana, Le Diva. The title is self-assigned. The meadow has accepted. She moves differently than Romeo, with an awareness of being observed that Romeo, for all his confidence, does not quite possess. Lana knows the camera is here. She has always known. And somewhere in the flowers, Delilah. Less easily found, less easily defined. The meadow keeps some of its residents closer than others. Delilah appears to prefer it that way. We note her presence. We do not press further. Beyond the wildflowers, at the edge of what the light reaches, something. It has been there as long as the meadow has been the meadow. The residents do not appear concerned. We take our cues from them. The business of the meadow is not dramatic. It does not announce itself. Flower is examined. A direction is chosen, then reconsidered. The sun moves. The willows move with it. And the cats simply are. In a world that moves very fast, in every direction at once, the meadow does not. The meadow has decided that this particular patch of blue flowers is enough. On most days, it is. There are researchers who have spent considerable time attempting to understand what a cat sees when it looks at nothing. The leading theory is that it is not nothing, that it is, in fact, everything, simply arranged differently than we are able to perceive. We find this credible. We have no evidence to the contrary. And with that, we have another cat departing. The meadow notes the absence and continues. This is the work. Do not be fooled by its stillness. This has not been observed before. We're updating the field notes. Proximity is established. Neither acknowledges it. Both are aware. The afternoon will continue. Romeo will go wherever Romeo goes. Lana will observe it. Delilah will be somewhere nearby, or perhaps somewhere else entirely. The blue flowers will remain. The large shape at the edge of the light will remain. The meadow does not require an audience to continue being the Meadow, but it does not seem to mind one. The Meadow. Second life? It is exactly where it has always been.